So you're about to see how Megs and Lily got on when they attempted to build a website in just 10 minutes using the Cadence theme and their brand new AI tool. It's pretty amazing, so stay tuned. It's kind of mind-blowing. A big thank you to Cadence for sponsoring this video. All the funds of the sponsorship went to Meg and Lily to help pay for their university education accommodation, which is pretty expensive. So thank you to them. And if you can give it a thumbs up, it would be amazing, because we want to make more videos like this and it helps share the video. So big thank you if you can hit the thumbs up from Meggie and Lily and me. Let's dive in and see how they got on.
So, on WordPress, got an appearance. I'm going to go add new theme. I'm going to search Cadence. And I'm assuming it's this one. Okay. Activate that. Install AI starter templates. Okay. Fun.
I mean, so far, so good. I'm a bit stressed about this one because it's a 10-minute challenge and it's building a website in 10 minutes, which is crazy because it's not a lot of time. Lovely, lovely. Oh, lovely. Okay, so the name here is going to be X Yoga Studio.
Am I going to activate those two? I guess so? That's the little Cadence thing, so I'm guessing. Oh. Okay. I am a... Should I put company? Lily's Yoga Studio. And I'm in the yoga industry. I'm guessing this is just going to then generate all of my information.
What industry are you in? I am a yoga studio. So far, I feel like this is going pretty well. It's been 3 minutes.
I'm guessing for a business you would then, so type in everything about your business. And then will it break it up on the website, or will it just put in a huge chunk? Because that would be ugly. Keyword. I'm just going to put in everything yoga related. Choose your tone. Choose my tone. I'm going to put friendly. I wonder what Megan put. I'd probably put like persuasive.
My tone, I think, I want to go friendly. Yoga studio, you want it to be a bit friendly. It's quite a, I want to feel comfortable. Yeah, I mean, those are
Okay, so that's quite cool that they give you like a gallery of photos instead of you having to find them yourself. I don't really like any of these pictures. Edit collection. Oh, okay, so you can keep refreshing it until there's ones you like. They're exactly the same. Okay, well, I don't know what the edit collection button does then in that case.
lovely. I like that it gave you keywords so you can kind of steer it in the right direction for your website.
Ooh, okay. That is quite cool. Okay, admittedly that is quite cool that they give you your own templates. I like the first one. Is Megan's gonna look exactly the same though, do you think?
Okay, so we've got options there. Okay, I like this one. I don't think that one is yoga-y. I really just like the first one. I think that's quite chill. Seems quite friendly. Because these seem a bit corporate. Let's just see if we can change the highlight colour. That's not very powerful. I kind of liked I think the green was a bit more friendly. I think the green one with the picture. Was that the same as the one that I started with? Because I like that one. If that's the one I started with, then well done AI, because you very accurately guessed what I would enjoy.
Okay, you get to pick the font. Okay, so there's still some personalization, because I was worried that it was just going to be like AI just generates it all for you. You're like, okay, done. But it's quite nice that you still get to change something about content. What if you want like another tab? Yeah, that's fine. Finish and launch. To be fair, it's been very fast and very easy so far. I've got like 4 minutes left.
I mean, this is just automatically on, so I feel like maybe I shouldn't mess around with it. I'm not going to do any plugins because I haven't built a lot of websites in my time. Not really sure what these plugins do. This one is required, so I'm just going to leave that on. Okay. This is crazy because this is me doing this in 10 minutes. I'm building an entire website for a business. And so you could do, what, like 6 of these in an hour.
I think as long as it stays personal, as long as you still get to have creative input, then I think this is a pretty good way of building a website.
Ooh! Okay. This is crazy.
This is gonna be crazy if it's like a full-on website.
I've done challenges before where it's been literally half an hour and just trying to build one page of a website. And it will be something like this, and it will take me so much effort and so much time.
Okay, that's that's quite cool that they've just... That's mad. Okay. So you can still edit it. So it's not like the AI does it all for you. You can still... I'm gonna change this then. And I love this template. I really love it. I don't like the background image. So. Oh, edit image. Okay, but from this point on, I don't think... Oh, I was gonna say I don't think AI does anything for you, but it just did.
Ooh! I mean, this is really cool. Alexa, how long left?
You have 10 seconds left in your 10-minute timer.
There we go. And I mean, I did it within 10 minutes. Well, I didn't do it. The AI did it for me. Yeah. Crazy that it's made like reviews as well. Which I guess if this was your own website, you would just replace them with actual reviews that you'd actually gotten. But I mean, this is... Let's see if there's a contact page. Have I put the address? I think, yeah. So, I mean, this is good because I've been on a lot of websites just trying to figure out how to contact them, and they don't even have a page like as cohesive as this.
I don't like any of those. Okay. I like that you still get to edit it. It still feels a bit bland, but I love the layout. It's quite cool. I mean, that's really cool.
This company doesn't exist. There are no frequently asked questions. No one has asked me a question about this company. It doesn't exist. But, I mean, what should I wear and bring? Comfortable clothing. It's just correct, you know. A person could say this. I think that's brilliant.
Mad. I've got about a minute left. And are these gonna be, or are these just gonna be like random? Oh my gosh, no, so they actually create all that information for you. The only thing I would say is I wouldn't know how to add another menu thing at the top. About? Is this going to be really impersonal? I mean, it's a good website. Is this going to put my dad out of a job?
Pretty amazing, hey? Pretty mind-blowing what's possible now with AI and Cadence. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, if you can hit that thumbs up button down below now, it would be amazing because it makes a huge difference in terms of how many people actually get to see this video. It really, really does. So thank you if you can hit that like button. And also, every time you do hit that like button, our cats get a little treat. If you want to see more Meg and Lily videos, hit the thumbs up and hit subscribe because more are on the way. Keep well, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.